Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Let's make my favorite salad. I made it twice this week and I make it all the time. It's so filling and satisfying. Let's start chopping, shall we? I'm gonna start using the slicer or the mandolin. For the cucumbers and the radishes, I'm gonna slice 2 Persian cucumbers and 3 to 4 radishes. Anything you don't like, you can choose not to add in this salad. I'm just giving you some options. Now I'm gonna add some tomatoes, and please choose the best tasting tomatoes you can find. It makes all the difference. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you love these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. 2 to 3 heirloom tomatoes, and I'm done. Now I'm going to chop some spring onions, about 3 or 4. I chopped the whole thing and I add it to the bowl. Now let's slice some pepperoncini, peppers. And like I said, if you don't like one ingredient, don't use it. Add some other ingredient that you would love. Here I'm adding 1 large avocado, 1 cup of shredded or sliced carrots. I'm moving it to a bigger, wider bowl, totally for presentation. And to make it more filling, I'm adding some very crispy bacon, and I'm shredding some cheese. I'm using some mild cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. And I'm gonna add 2 hard-boiled eggs. Add some fresh black pepper. And for the dressing, you can use any dressing you want, but my favorite dressing with this type of salad is honey mustard. I have a great recipe for honey mustard dressing, only 4 ingredients, so simple to make. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I would dress it up just when I'm ready to serve. I hope you give this recipe a try and check out the dressing recipe. And until next time, bon appétit!